What's going on? We're continuing our series on NFTs, and today I'm going to show you how to buy an NFT. We're going to do the whole process from setting up your Ethereum MetaMask wallet to showing you how to actually buy an NFT. This is going to be my first time doing it. It's going to be a full, complete walk along, follow along. Let's do it. There are two main marketplaces that I see the most when people are trying to buy NFTs. The first is OpenSea.io. This is the one we're going to be using today. And the other is Rarible.com. Both of these are big fat marketplaces for NFTs. But let's get into trying to set up our own MetaMask wallet. MetaMask is the industry standard for Ethereum wallets and buying NFTs right now. So let's start by creating a login. So MetaMask, we're going to click that. It's going to ask us to install it on Chrome. We're going to do that. Easy peasy, add to Chrome, add extension. All right, so now we're gonna go to MetaMask. Welcome to MetaMask. Get started. This guy's gonna be following me around. Get started. New to MetaMask? Yes, I would like to create a wallet. Help us improve MetaMask. MetaMask would like to gather your usage data. I probably won't. All right, new password here. Let me create a password. Gotta think of something juicy. All right. Copy in my newly created password. I haven't read, but I'm gonna agree because come on now. Just creating the account, secure your wallet. Before getting started, you can watch this video. I'm not gonna watch it. I'm just gonna send it. Okay, here is the most important part. This is the security recovery phrase. Everything that I've seen about the security recovery phrase is that this is the most important piece to get into your account, and you should not give it to anyone. If you lose this, you essentially lose access to your wallet. So if you ever lose this and you have thousands of hundreds of millions of dollars in this wallet, you will not be able to retrieve them. So what you need to do is write this down on a piece of paper, screenshot it, and put it in an encrypted folder somewhere. Keep this phrase as safe as you can. Don't ever give it to anybody. If you're ever on a website and they're like, hey, what's your secret recovery phrase for your MetaMask wallet? Don't give it to them. You know, if you're ever locked out of your account or something, you'll need it then. But this is pivotal. If you download the MetaMask app, that's when you would need it. All right, so I'm gonna stop sharing my screen now and pause the recording so I can get this phrase. So what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to verify that phrase as well. You're going to want to save it. Don't share it with anybody. Be careful of phishing. Don't give anybody your secret recovery phrase. While I was doing research for this video, somebody was talking about this and was like, don't share this with anybody. You don't want to share this phrase with anyone, and you want to keep this thing safe. And they just like forgot to continue blurring out their screen in the edit. So they posted this video and it was like blurred out for half of it, and then immediately halfway through it just showed the phrase for like 30 seconds, and I don't think they ever fixed it. So I thought that was funny, but then also kind of sad. So this is your account number in your wallet. This is if somebody wanted to send you some crypto, some Ethereum. This you can share publicly because on the blockchain everything is public ledger. So when you make a transaction, people are going to see that your account number is active, and this is how they confirm and talk to one another. So if you're going to send money from your Coinbase to this account, this is the number you would need, and just copy it. And whenever you're sending this, don't fiddle with it. Just copy it, paste it, and don't put anything you shouldn't in between. You know what I mean? Some quick notes before we install the app on our phone, so we can access this on our phone as well, is when you do purchase an NFT with the MetaMask wallet, it's going to display right here. That's a big one. The other thing is if you're going to buy Ethereum inside of the MetaMask wallet, you can, but they use a third party and it has super high fees. So most of the time you're going to want to purchase through Coinbase instead of your MetaMask, but then you're going to buy NFTs with your MetaMask wallet after you send the Ethereum to your wallet. Hope that makes sense. All right, so now I have downloaded the MetaMask app. You might be able to see it, and it gives you the option to import your current wallet from your secret recovery phrase. This is also known as your seed phrase. Be an example of when you would want to use it because it's for your MetaMask wallet. It's not for anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and type it into this app and connect these two. All right, after I put in my secret recovery phrase, I'm in. I have it on my my phone now. It's connected. So now we need to log into OpenSea so we can buy some NFTs, baby. Buy some NFTs. All right, we're gonna hop back on over to OpenSea now, and we're gonna connect a MetaMask wallet. And since we've already connected it and have a extension, Chrome extension, it's gonna pop up and say, "Yo, is this your MetaMask account?" And you're gonna say, "It absolutely is, baby." So now we're gonna connect. This is the address. It's connecting, and boom, I'm Mr. Unnamed in the flesh right here. I got my MetaMask wallet. And we're on OpenSea. So let's check out some NFTs and talk about how you can actually buy one. So in the scope of this video, all I want to do is show you how to actually purchase one, the technical part of purchasing an NFT. And then in the next video, I'll talk about what I've heard is how to invest in NFTs. And boy, do I have some opinions on that. But let's start out by going to the Bored Ape Yacht Club. And the other thing that I'd like to say, Bored Ape Yacht Club, maybe it's not the Bored Ape Yacht Club. See that? See all those other projects there were? You want to get the ones with the verified check mark. Otherwise, you're buying into like this guy, easily a scammer, just trying to, you know, ride the wave of these other ones. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. This is an ID for a specific NFT. Yeah, my bad. But you definitely want to choose the one with a verified check mark, or else you might end up finding yourself in a scammy or crummy NFT project. And the other thing I want to mention before I look at some of these guys is you can also set this up with your Coinbase wallet as well. That's what I have. I already had that, but MetaMask is the industry standard for NFTs that I've seen thus far. So I wanted to walk through that process as well. I may just go ahead and set up my Coinbase for this after, but wanted you to know. So here we go. Here are a bunch of NFTs, a bunch of JPEGs that you can now say are legit NFTs. Here's some things you need to know. The items, this is how many there are. There's 10,000 items. There's 6.1 owners. So I don't know what the math on that is, but a lot of these people own one, maybe 1.5, 2. So that's a good sign. You want more people to be in it. You don't want like one guy to own 5,000 of them. That'd be weird. The floor price, this is the lowest you can buy one for. The lowest you can buy a Bored Ape is for 83 Ethereum. That's probably what, $100,000? $266,000 for this. Let that sink in. This is the cheapest one that you can buy right now. God dang, that's wild. Let's talk some more. There's 3 ways you can purchase an NFT. You can just buy it now if you have $266,000 that you're trying to launder through NFTs. You can do that by buying it right now, or you can bid or shoot him an offer. So these are some offers. Wow. And I bet you he'll probably take that. Why wouldn't he? This is wrapped Ethereum, and wrapped Ethereum is only used for bidding and offers. Essentially, these are people that are like, hey, I'd love to buy what you have, please. And then they can accept or they cannot accept. We can also probably check out what else this person owns. So these are their collections. Obviously, they're sitting on some Metasars and some Bored Apes, or one Bored Ape. This is probably doing it for him. The other thing you can do is go to properties, and this is how you can check how rare something is. So 12% of Bored Apes have a blue background, only 4% have the crazy eyes, 14% are dark brown, 2% have a baby's bonnet. Whoa. So it's pretty rare. And we'll go into more detail on this in this next video, but you can go to rarity.tools and you can search for the project that you're in and you can find it. So we can see number 2 is Bored Ape Yacht Club. Let's check this out. And we want to check out ID number 2517. Copy that, go on back here, and then we're going to look him up. And we're going to see how rare he is. It's not insanely rare because it's almost a 7,000th out of 10,000 as in the rarest, but this is pretty high up there. You know, this isn't like you're buying the lowest guy. And then other traits to look at are, this is like, if it has the crazy eyes, what will it be priced at? And so it's saying the crazy eyes, it's worth about 83 ETH. And that's what it's priced at. So you'd be getting like a right on the money deal. This isn't a steal of a deal. You might be saving yourself 0.3 of an ETH, but I don't think that guy's concerned. It's $266,000. You know what I mean? This is the most rare one. So rarity score is 364. And this is ranked number 1. Wow. The mouth alone makes it worth 142 ETH. Wow. But yeah, here's all of them. Here's all 10,000 of them. But this is you can bid on this one, but if you want to be able to buy something now, you click floor price and then boom, you can buy it right then and there, right on the spot. Something else I want to talk about is the floor. So this is called a thin floor. Thin floor means it's 83 and then it immediately jumps up to 84 and a half, then it jumps up to 86. Floor price is the lowest that it's being sold for, but it being defined as a thin floor is how quickly it changes in price, like how quickly it jumps. And if this were a thick floor, that would be like the next 20 of these all being worth 83 Ethereum. But that's just wild. That's how you buy NFTs. You would just hit buy now. I'm like scared to do it, but it wouldn't let me even if I tried. Then you just buy it. So it's a really simple process, and I think you're going to be surprised with the rest of it too on how to make one. Is just as simple. Anyway, that's how you buy an NFT. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you invest in an NFT, all the boxes that you need to check. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you're going to buy an NFT. I'll see you.